Yo, what's up YouTube? It's Tadimer123 and just making a new bike check. Did a lot to this bike. Everything's pretty much the same except the seat, sprocket. Had to buy a new chain, snap my other one. So, here we go. I got the ODI grips and bar ends up here. Salt 28-inch wide bars, don't know the raise. Got a Haro zebra stem, Haro 300.2 2012 brand, black. Kink Multi forks, black. Front rim is a mission, leads to a We the People with alienation spokes, something like that. Might be We the People. I have two Maxxis tires. I have the hookworm and the ringworm. Sprocket is still much green. The chain is Shadow Conspiracy. Pedals Mission. Cranks Profile. Seat Animal. Post We the People. C-clamp Demolition. Headset Eastern. Back room Haro Hypno. New rim. Just came out not too long ago. And I think that's my bike check. Thank you for watching YouTube.